aviation case, we saw NSE being described as the first line
Right.
regulator, an institution expected not just to run the market but to safeguard it.
Hmm.
And yet, in this case, the cracks were not in the code or the cables, they were in the governance, the oversight, and the judgment at the very top. Because sometimes the biggest risk to a system is not a technical
Hmm.
glitch.
Right.
It is when the people running it stop believing the rules applied to them.
Hmm.
And that's what made this more than just an odd corporate scandal. It became a cautionary tale about power without accountability, access without scrutiny, and institutions that can look solid on the outside while quietly hollowing out from within.
And I think that happens a lot in our
Hmm.
country. Personally, I have this opinion that people in our country, when they get super rich on monetary basis, they feel like nothing can attack them, that they are safe from anything. And it is not the truth. In the past, also a lot of cases have happened when people have been arrested. One of that being the ICICI Bank case, also in the
Yes.
financial whole context as well. And that is one thing. Another thing which I feel was, as a woman
Hmm.
working in a very male, like we come from a country who's evolving in this whole
Yes.
situation where women participation is still a lot less in the workforce. Incidents like this make it much more an opportunity for the people to discriminate against
Yes.
women.
That's so true. वो नहीं होता कि एक like there's one woman or say a few women who have taken these wrong decisions and उसके वजह से then
Yeah,
all of the women are generalized कि
yeah.
you put a woman in a woman in a position of power and this is what she does.
Which is so wrong. A lot of other
Exactly.
women, like the ex SBI chairman, is doing this great work. She is now heading Snowflake. I guess a
True.
lot of women are doing such great work, but it all
Yes.
gets, sometimes ignored because of these scandalous cases. And trust me, the media and everyone else in this country just love to make these things more masala-ish.
Yes. More adding more masala to it.
Yeah, and you just
That's true.
forget that the whole case, this could happen to anyone. Like, it's not
Yes, exactly.
anyone on leadership position, any country, not just India, anywhere this can happen. And there has to be something. And in this case, see, we did take right steps. And this was
Yes.
uncovered. If not for SEBI and for the whistleblower and all those situations, like all those things, this would have never been uncovered.
True.
So there is something stopping these wrongdoings, but
Yes.
it still upsets me to the
Yes.
core.
That's so true. And also the point about, an institution looking solid on the outside, but there are cracks inside. The very recent case, I would say, is the case with HDFC Limited and HDFC Bank, the merger that happened.
Hmm.
And after that, there was certain, say,
Hmm.
differences about how the institution is to be run. But us say investors or someone who
Hmm.
yeah, as their customers, their clients,
Right.
हमको सब सही लगता है बाहर से, but then there was one resignation and there
Yeah.
was
Because
a
there's
lot
an
of
inherent
chaos.
trust for the whole that's
Exactly.
been running for
Yes.
so long. And it's just very frustrating and upsetting because this was like other cases have been usually like only in the financial case, like
Hmm.
there's a fraud, scam,
Hmm.
whatever. But this thing was connected to spirituality and it has just been misused and abused.
True.
And it just shakes the whole core
The
system.
belief,
Yeah.
yes, that the people have, and trust, I think this is, I think बहुत बार हमने ये टर्म यूज किया है, एंड इसी का
Hmm.
मतलब people ignore it, people with power,
Yeah.
and that is what hurts actually, that you put
Yeah.
in trust, and that trust is in form of money, monetary terms, savings लगा देते हैं लोग अपनी,
True.
and you are playing people's trust and playing with their finances, and that is what hurts more.
Yeah, it's a
So
joke on all of us for trusting. I mean, the whole institution was running fair and square during that time. I'm
yes.
not saying that everything was going wrong during that period, but there was a great problem in the governance of this. And
Yes.
I think this should not be ignored. There were a lot of chances wherein this could have been stopped, maybe by the secretary,
Exactly.
maybe by, like, it shouldn't have reached to the point of the board of directors. Any small thing that was going wrong, and if you're seeing something wrong happening at the top level, that is why I think there are whistleblower policies in place to save the whistleblower
Exactly.
also, but it is a double-edged sword. So,
Yes, and even in the I'm coming back to the HDFC case, and in that email, it was mentioned the resignation
hmm,
letter. It was mentioned that matlab the person was not okay with
hmm,
the things that were happening. Ethics were
yeah,
mentioned, but ये ऐसे तो नहीं है कि एक दिन कुछ देखा and then that person was not okay with what it
right,
was a gradual मतलब
correct,
over time देखते गए थे यहाँ पे भी ओवर टाइम
hmm,
इट वाज ऑब्जर्व बोर्ड मीटिंग्स हुई थी
correct,
सब दिख रहा था व्हाई नॉट इंटरवीन देन इतना टाइम क्यों लग जाता है कोई भी डिसीजन लेने या इंटरवीन करने को एंड आई
correct,
अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट्स अ सिस्टमिक प्रॉब्लम
hmm,
मतलब इट्स अ वेरी यूटोपियन
yes,
एक्सपेक्टेशन कि कुछ हो रहा है तो तुम
hmm,
तुरंत इंटरवीन करो बिकॉज देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स जो हम वी आर नॉट अवेयर देर आर लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रिंग्स दैट आर बीइंग पुल्ड
correct,
वी आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दैट बट देन
hmm,
इवेंचुअली उधर भी ट्रस्ट तुम्हें फिर खटकता ही है कि यार ये जो भी
exactly,
इंसान इवन इफ इट्स अ विसल ब्लोअर या where that person is what are
हाँ,
his motivations
correct,
is that person
hmm.
to be trusted or not वो भी trust करना चाहिए उन पे या नहीं so this game entire game is all about trust.
And it feels more bad because you're in a developing country. There are a lot of new entrepreneurs coming up, and the old
Hmm.
leadership is setting some example to everything. Like, for example, even the Baidu's case or
Hmm.
whatever, all the fallen leadership is really shocking for the inter because a lot of countries, a lot of people, a lot of other companies are just waiting for your downfall to make a joke
Exactly.
out of you.
Yes.
And every person is extremely responsible as a growing leader. Even if you're the existing leader, or if somebody wants to is aspiring to be a leader in future, these things are extremely important. And those words like integrity, trust,
Hmm.
and all those things are
Hmm.
not just joke. These
Yes.
actually really make sense. Like, you may be the smartest person in the room, you may make tons of profits,
Yes.
there you are the best person to run the company, but when that integrity is questioned, there should
True.
be no negotiations on that part. It's
Exactly.
that person should be let go at any cost. There, at least that is my opinion,
True.
because
Yes.
money can come go, but
Yeah.
once a system fails, people lose
Exactly.
faith and it's gone forever.
True.
And sometimes it also happens that people are let go and these
Hmm.
people come back stronger at better
Yeah.
position, and that
Yes.
also frustrates
So when
me.
the system, when the justice system is too lenient on
Correct.
these offenders, is when it's more even more
Hmm.
problematic. So yes, I think we could have an entire episode on this topic,
Yeah. And
but
we would like to know your opinions as well, like all the people who
yes.
are on the leadership position aspiring to be leaders. We would like to know your opinions also on this, because this is something deeply personal to each and every one in this country, because everyone
Yes.
wants growth. So,
Let us
yeah,
know your views in the
yeah.
comments. Yes.